excited. Alright you guys, so we got the goods and I am so excited for this unboxing. Okay you guys, so I was gonna wait until I got home to do like this unboxing for you guys and like, you know, pull out like the ring light and everything, set up the camera on the tripod. But you guys, I'm so impatient right now, like I just need to smell this perfume. When I was checking out, the Ulta employee was like, oh, have you smelled it? What are your thoughts on it? And I was like, well, I haven't smelled it yet because I want to get like first impressions. And she's like, oh, do you like do YouTube videos and stuff like that? And I was like, yeah. And here we are. I am so excited, you guys. First of all, like the packaging on this thing is just insane. I just love this whole wraparound packaging that we have going on. We have Miss Ariana Grande in a, like, I don't know, in a sea of flowers. Like, you guys, how cute is that? Like, wow. Obsessed with this. Obsessed. On the front of the box, it just says, God is a woman. And then we have Ariana Grande giving me some Mother Nature vibes. And then just on the side, it says that it's 91% naturally derived, clean ingredients, 100% vegan, cruelty-free. And then it says, this reusable base is made from 60% plant-based and sustainable materials. So it's actually talking about like the perfume holder that Ariana Grande does. It's also recyclable carton. You guys, I am so excited for this. Like, I've never been more excited to unbox a fragrance than this one right here. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so stoked right now. This lady just pulled up like right behind me. Okay, she left. Okay. Oh, and now she's driving in front of me. Awkward pause. Hi. Can I help you? Keep driving. And she's literally texting on her. Okay. Anyways, you guys, the box just feels like it's more, it definitely does feel like it's more recyclable than her other like packaging that she's had in the past. It feels so nice though. I love it. And then I love how the God is a woman and then Ariana Grande is like raised. Like the text and everything, love that. So freaking fun. Let's do this thing. Also guys, make sure you guys stay till the very end of this video because you may or may not be able to win your own God is a Woman fragrance at the end of this video. Looks like we have a little note on the top. It just says, we are committed to making our packaging friendlier for the planet by using sustainable materials and responsibly sourced ingredients. You will continue to see exciting changes over time across all of our fragrances. Thank you for taking this journey with us. How cute. So I think they're gonna be like repackaging and doing something like that with all her previous fragrances moving forward. Don't quote me on that, but that's just what I'm thinking right now, just based off of that. You guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys, here is God is a Woman. I'm obsessed. You guys, like, look at that. Isn't that just so cool? I love how sleek and just how, like, minimal it is. It's definitely giving me, like, Kim Kardashian vibes right now. I am loving this light purple color on it. This is just amazing. Absolutely love it. And I just love how they all come in like a fun little holder and it looks good just like on your desk, vanity, whatever it is. It just looks so nice on there. I think it's time to smell the fragrance. You guys, I am so stoked for this. Oh my gosh. Whoa. You guys, I love this so much. Definitely giving me like some springy summer vibes. I'm sure there's pear in the fragrance because I'm smelling a lot of pear right now. It's so good though. Okay guys, so the notes in God is a Woman. So first of all, the fragrance family is fruity musk. It's definitely fruity. And then the key notes, the top is amberette and juicy pear. There you go. There's my pear. And then the middle is orris and Turkish rose petals. And then the base is Madagascar vanilla and creamy cedarwood. Oh my gosh, this motorcycle, excuse me, can you not? You guys, this smells so incredible. So one of my YouTube friends, Amber, she actually was able to get the fragrance yesterday. One of the Ulta employees in her state actually let her like pick up the fragrance a little bit early, and she did a review on it yesterday, and she said that it reminds her of Cloud, but like an adult version. And I definitely see that. Like, I really do see that. Oh my gosh. It smells good though. Like, it's still different that it's not like Cloud, you know? I would still consider this like a whole new fragrance. Absolutely love it, you guys. Let's talk about price points. So I have the 3.4 ounce, which is the largest size that you're able to get, and this retails for $65. And then there's also the 1.7 ounce that retails for $55. Honestly, I think it's worth it to pay the extra $10 and get like the larger size. That's just my opinions. But so far, you guys, I am just obsessed with this fragrance. I'm actually gonna spray it a little bit more because it just smells so good. Alright guys, so now the moment that you guys have been waiting for. So I'm going to be giving away to one of you guys a God is a Woman fragrance. I had already ordered a God is a Woman fragrance online, and that's going to be getting here sometime this upcoming week. But Ulta stores released it not early, but they just had it released in stores now. So I was able to get this one in store, and so I have a second one coming in the mail. And I decided, Shelton, instead of returning it, why don't you do a giveaway on it? So that's what I'm going to do. The only things that you need to do in order to enter this giveaway is to be subscribed to this channel and then comment down below your favorite Ariana Grande song. Alright guys, so that is going to be everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
I just don't want this moment to end.